On the 26th of February 2020, the Ministry of Education announced the suspension of all schools for 2 weeks. The announcement came as Kuwait witnessed a surge in the COVID-19 cases and enforcing new measures to curb the spread of the virus.
Well, the decision came from the Ministry of Education. They're working in coordination with the Ministry of Health to ensure that the decisions are in line with the health situation. More details in this report.
In light of the efforts made by the state of Kuwait, the government and the people to confront this epidemic and continue to implement development plans, an important full year of the nation's life based in the face of the corona epidemic, which requires everyone to continue solidarity and cooperation to cross this crisis.
First, as a result of the pandemic, a state of emergency was declared in the country. So the Ministry of Education suspended schools and university studies to ensure the safety of all students and its personnel. During that time, an action plan was taken to complete the scholastic year 2019-2020 for all grades. All the personnel of the Ministry of Education returned to work with great determination to implement the strategy of the ministry finalized for the benefit of the students. They really did great effort. In fact, everyone in the ministry exerted tremendous efforts to make the return a success. These efforts concerned teacher and learner training on e-learning, curriculum and Microsoft Teams, learning and teaching resources, and others.
The Ministry of Education pointed out that various measures have been put in place to ensure the safety and health of the staff.
The ministry is committed to working continuously to ensure the safety and health of everyone by applying a set of measures to meet the challenges resulting from COVID-19. I'm going to set some examples. In cooperation with the Ministry of Health, vaccinating the personnel against the COVID-19 is one of the priorities. Another measure relates to a daily follow-up to oversee safety precautions. In addition to this, the ministry works with the Civil Service Commission to control the ongoing of work. Finally, the ministry provides support to and logistical services to its all departments to guarantee the protection of all.
All the decisions taken by the government were at the request of the Ministry of Health and coordinated with the World Health Organization. Reporting to Kuwait English News, Hadil Fahd.